Yeah, I think as a new student, that's a non-science student entering in that can be a little bit overwhelmed. And I think, probably half of the battle with learning science is having the confidence and feeling like you don't have the confidence to learn it. And what I can say is that anybody can, and there are many different ways to learn. Like, not everybody is a visual learner, so reading a book's not going to be ideal. Well, there are programs now where you can get some of these really heavy science books, like even Guyton's textbook of medical physiology, which we use in chiropractic colleges, on Audible, not on Audible, but there's another program that has it, like, the science texts, so that you could listen to it, find other ways to learn. And so one great place to start out is figuring out, what kind of learner am I? And there's actually a test you can take online to figure out, am I a visual, auditory, kinesthetic? How do I learn? And then, hang out with smart people. And what I would say is read at least an hour every day. Oftentimes what happens when students get in school, the first few weeks, they're just getting comfortable. And then all of a sudden you're into exams and you're cramming. And that's not the way to learn. And in fact, what research shows how we learn is by repeated exposure. So frequent repeated exposure and committing to reading an hour every day and hanging out with some very smart people who, maybe are the science nerds that you can, like, it's not going to happen through osmosis, but you will learn through them because they'll tell you the tricks that they learned to study science, when they did it in undergrad or what have you. But there's a way. It's going to require a little bit more intense effort initially, but there are ways to do it. And then, I would say, as a new chiropractic student going to school, seek out resources and commit to reading at least an hour a day.